Nandini from Computer Science Department of TJPSC College. Today topic is precedence of operators. That is arithmetic operators. Precedence of arithmetic operators. That means priority of operators. In this way, we have now two level of priorities. First one is high level priority. High level priority. High level priority. And second one is low level priority. Low level priority. In this way, high level priority of operators. Which type of operators? That is arithmetic operators. In that arithmetic operators, we have to know plus, minus, asterisk, division, and multiple. Okay, these are the operators are using in arithmetic level. Okay, in that operators, which one is the high level, which one is the low level? Okay, in this high level priority, the first two priority makes to asterisk, and second one goes to division, and next one is the margin. These are the high level priority. And next low level priorities are comes to plus, comma, minus. These are the low level priorities in the arithmetical operators. Okay. Next, for example, we have to know. Take an example. Int a, comma b, comma c, comma x. Here we take a equal to 9 and b equal to 12 and c equal to 3. We take like this examples. Now an expression, take x equal to 9 minus 12 divided by 3 plus 3 asterisk 2 minus 1. In this expression, the computer will do left to right priorities. Okay, left to right precedence. In that way, first one is come to left to right way. In that portion, which one is a high level? Okay, then next come to here, left to right. High level precedence is here is divided by. Okay, then comes to here divided by. That means the expression is come to like this: 9 minus 12 by 3. 4 plus again 3 asterisk 2 minus 1. Okay, the computer will do first 12 divided by 3. Then next come to 9 minus 4. Next come to precedence of 3 asterisk 2. Here 2 into 3 6 minus 1. Minus. Okay. Next again come to left to right. Left to right. Again here left to right. 9 minus 4 means 5. Again plus 6 minus 1. Next 5 plus 1. 5 plus 6. 11 minus 1 equal to 10. This is the answer. The system will give the answer 10 for this type of expression. Okay. Next come to, in that expression we have to write any brackets. In that expression we have to write any brackets that comes to first priority. Okay. Next come to this expression. First priority of brackets. In that brackets come to this way. 9 minus 12. Come to this one. After this one. Okay. First 3 plus 3. Here divided by 3 plus 3. 6. Asterisk 2 minus 12. Again come to this bracket. 9 minus 12 divided by 6 asterisk 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. Next, first evaluate 3 plus 3 and after that 2 minus 1. Okay. Here again come to left to right evaluated. In that way the modulo division divided by is the higher priority. Next, 9 minus 2 asterisk 1. Here 12 divided by 6. 12 by 6. Next, come to priority. Here 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2, 2. Again come to answer is 7. Answer is 7. Okay. So this is the answer of expression 2 is 7. So is there any difference? Yes. In the first expression we have to implement, the output will be given 10. And second one is come to number 7. Okay. That is the difference. Why? Because we have to take within the brackets only. Then next come to third expression. In that third expression, the whole bracket conservations and also closing in between any expression. First of all, that is the implementation. Okay. In that 9 minus again first bracket and come to inner bracket. Next bracket 12 divided by 3 plus 3 6 asterisk 2 minus 1 asterisk 2 minus 1. Here 6 is 3 plus 3. Then next come to 9 minus again here come to in this bracket the priority that means precedency of operator is divided by. Okay. 9 minus 2 asterisk 2 minus 1. Okay. Minus 1. Next come to here 9 minus 4 minus 1. Okay. Then next come to 9 minus 1. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. This is the answer for this expression. Okay. Next come to this one. This means again we have to take individual parentheses. In this way, here 12 divided by 3. 9 minus bracket open. In this way, 12 divided by 3. 4 plus 3 asterisk 2 minus here minus 1 minus 1 like this. Again come to in this way 3 asterisk the priority of an operator. Again 9 minus 4 plus 6 3 to 2 6 minus 1. Again come to 9 minus 10 minus 1. Here 4 plus 6 equal to 10. So 9 minus 10 minus 1. And then next come to 9 minus 10 minus 1. 9 minus 10 minus 1. Again minus 1 minus 2. system. Okay. Next topic is mathematical functions. Mathematical functions. Door closing. Mathematical functions. Arithmetic functions. In this mathematical function, we have to use math class. Math class. Through this math class, we have to implement mathematical functions like cos, sine, tan, cosine, max, minimum, power of, square root of, cube root of. Okay, those are the functions we have to implement through math class. In this math class, this math class belongs to java.lang package. Java.lang package. In this language package, the math class is having. Okay. By using this math class, syntax is we have to know math dot function name like this. Through dot operator, we have to access the functions in the math class from package language. Okay, we have to write like this: java.lang.math. Here lang is a package and here math is a class. The math class belongs to package language. Okay. By using this math class, we have to perform some calculations using functions. Okay. For example, math dot sqrt square root of some n. Again like that, math dot cube of n, like this. Again, math dot max of 23,25. Here maximum number, the output will be given max number. Here 25 is the max. And then next come to math dot minimum 23,21. Here minimum is 21. Okay. And then next math dot absolute minus 55. The absolute value give 55. And that means around. Okay. Again, math dot square root, max, minimum, radius, and like sine of 0, like this. Okay. These are the math functions. By using dot operator, we have to access the math functions from the math class of language package. Okay, these are the examples of math class. Okay. Next, the next one is control statements. Before going to control statements, we have to using print statement and println statements. Here print statements are printing the statement and waiting state. The control will be waiting state at present position. But in println statement and println method, we have to print the statement and the controller will be come to next line. That will be waiting in next line. That is the difference between print and println. Here, Here hello. Hello. The output will be like this. Hello. Okay. But in system, again control will be come to like this. But in system dot out dot print hi, just like this. Take the controller will be print and waiting here. And waiting here. So that is the difference between print and println. Print means the statement will be print. The controller will be waiting at the same prompt. But in println statement, we have to use in println method. Output will be printed and the controller will be come to next prompt. Okay. The next topic is control statements. Control statements. Control statements in Java. Control statements in Java. What are the control statements? Control statements. If a program will be going in some situation, the branch, that means jumping from one state to another state. That means one statement to another statement. That is called branching. That branching depending on a particular condition, that is called conditional branching. In that conditional branching, sometimes there is no dependence of condition. That is called unconditional branching. Okay, and in these control statements, first one is if statements, and second one is switch statements. Here we have two types of control statements here. First one is the if statement and second one is the switch statement. In position of if statements, there are four types of if statements. Okay, simple if, if else, nested if else, and if else ladder. Okay, if else ladder. Here if statements having four types of if statement. First one is the simple if, and second one is the if else, and third one is the nested if else, and fourth one is the if else ladder. Okay, now we have to discuss about simple if. Okay, first one is simple if statement. Simple if statement. Why we are need to write a statement? In a particular example, we have to write a program. In that program, we have to measure something. We have differentiating something. A person marks, score marks, and average of something, salary calculations like that. In that time, if statement will be using. The syntax is like this. If test condition, if test condition statements. Statement 1. Statements. Yes. Here, if test condition is true, the controller will be come to into the loop, into the flower brackets. The statements will be executed. If test condition is false, after That means the controller will be come to after the if statement. Okay. For example, if for example a equal to 10 into a equal to 10, b equal to 20. If a less than b, if a less than b, the statement is system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println a is small. A is small. Next, system dot out dot println b is small. B is small. Here in example A10 B20, if A less than B, if A less than B, the condition will be true. Next, controller comes to this statement. Controller will be come to